Morning traders, this is Bruce Michael here. Welcome to my TradeStation workspace. Here we're tracking Omnivision Technologies this morning. We had a gap down here, pretty much fell apart, has pulled back up above what I call key level 3 here on the downside, and I'm waiting to see if we can get a break below this number here. We're going to take this short. The news out on this is they bought some patents from Eastman Kodak this morning, and apparently the previous purchases of this stock are not too happy about that, and they sold it off pretty hard, although there has been a little bit of a bounce here. But we're looking for a break below this key level 3, as I said, and if we get down there, we're going to take this short. I got the order in to sell 1600 short at 33.30. So I'm going to keep you posted on this. I'll be back in a few minutes if we trigger, and we'll see how it goes from there. Okay, traders, we're in here, 1600 shares at 33.30. I got a 33.46 stop. That's about a 0.5% on the $50,000, which is about 250 at risk here. And I'm going to switch back to the 5-minute chart here and just see how this looks. The expectation here is that we fall. The initial stop is 33.46, but we're not necessarily going to wait around for that to trigger. I'm looking for this to come down here. We broke this level once, came back above it. I like when we come back and test it and come back down through it again. So right now I'm gonna switch over to the matrix here, so I can show you I'm up 128 bucks right now. You can see my cover is over here, but I'm gonna enable my my indicator line here, so you can see what's going on there. And I'm gonna get rid of the pre-market. Let's go to the regular session here. And so we're looking for this to continue to come down here. I'm going to not wait too much longer before I tighten up this stop, which I think I'm going to do about now. I'm going to move this to a maximum loss of maybe $200 if she should come back on me. And let's take it from here, and we'll see how this goes. I'm gonna get you up to date as soon as I'm certain that we're moving in the right direction here. And even if it looks like I'm going to get stopped out, I'm going to come back and get that recorded for you too, so you can see how that looks even if it doesn't work out. Okay, be back shortly. Okay, traders, we were up about 250 here at one point, and we're only 200 now. We've been in this trade now almost 5-6 minutes, so this is not full on like I'd like it to. I'd like to see more volume coming in here. On the downside, I'm not really seeing it, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to tighten this stop up here so that we have nothing worse than a break-even trade here, maybe out the commission, but other than that, I'm not going to worry about it. If it continues on down, we'll be looking good. It is now. We're up 300 and change, as you can see here, and hopefully this is going to continue to fall. I mean, this stock was coming down. I'm going to show you this is what I call a daily. It's really a daily made up of 3 periods of 130 minutes each, and you can see this was in a really nice uptrend here for the last few days, and this news came out this morning. Took, I think, some owners by surprise here, and they're not too happy with it, and hopefully this short's going to continue to work out for me. So I'm going to keep you up to date, see how this trade goes as we progress through the morning, and we'll be back to you with updates shortly. Welcome back, folks. We're looking at hitting the lows here since I've been in this trade. Trying to get through this 33. I switched over to the level 2 so you can see we got some really good bids in here at 33, and if we can take these out, we should move down pretty smartly from there. And we just did there. You can see that somebody just took out all those 33s in one clip and dropped us down really nice. So I'm going to switch back over to my matrix here, show you where we are. We're up a little over $600 now. Trade is looking good. We got the stop and a break even. We're going to move that up now so that we don't lose any money on this trade should it comes back. I'm going to lock in at least $100 here right now. The expectation here is that this falls, and we're looking to see if we can get down to what I call key level 4. I'm going to post that up for you, which is all the way down at 31.49. That's a long way down from where we are now, and I may or may not wait around for that. I'm going to have to see how this progresses. The stock overall is in a pretty good uptrend, And there may be some buyers that come in here and think that this deal that they did to buy these patents from Eastman Kodak may not be that big a deal anyway. But for now, we're going to let this trade run, and we're going to not worry about losing any money. We got a minimum of $100 we're going to make here, and at some point in time I may just cut it loose and take my profits wherever I happen to be. Going to get back to you as soon as I see something developing here that's interesting for you, and hopefully that'll be pretty soon. Okay. Okay, trade is up. Trade is progressing along pretty well here. We're down at the lows since we sold it short. Trying to get through this 32.75 level here. Seems to be just a little bit of support there, but that looks like that might be taken out. And we took it out down now. All right, back up to it again. But we're looking good here. We're up about $900 right now. And I'm going to switch back over to the matrix here because I want to adjust my stop. Certainly you don't want to be up $900 and then just leave with 100. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go to lock in here. Let's lock in $400. We come back above 33 bucks, 33.05. We're going to take this trade out, and we're going to go home with $400 on the morning, which wouldn't be too bad. Not a bad day's pay even if I go with that. Right now we're up $1,000. Take it back up here. We'll show you where we're at here, 1,040. And again, the target is way down here. I forget where it was. I'm not going to light it up right now, but it's pretty far down. At some point in time, I'm probably going to, take my profits here and say, you know what, this is a pretty good trade. It's working out really good. Market's only up, got Dow at 19, got the NASDAQ up 1, you got the S&P up 1 and change, so the market's not strong. This stock is coming down towards its lows here, and so far this trade's working out good. I think I'm gonna move this stop up just a little bit more here to lock in. I'm gonna lock in $500 here. 32.98, and we're going to be out of this trade. I mean, that's all the way back up here. If it comes back up here, then this trade is not working and we want to be out of it anyway. So let's leave it there, and again, as things progress here, I'll be back with more details and hopefully some more good news when I come back. Catch you in a bit. Okay, we're getting a little bit of a reversal candle on this last 5 minutes, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take my stop, and I'm going to make sure we lock in at least $750 on this. We're up as much as $1,200 at the low here, and I don't want to let this go after being up $1,200 and only make $500 on it. So we're going to get at least $750 out of this, and hopefully this will drop back down and we'll continue to move lower here. But for now, we're going to take the $750 if we can get it. Actually, we'll be closer to probably $760 by the time we get the slip on the fill here, but I'm going to just wait around here for a little bit and see if we get this stop out and see if we get covered here or not, or we continue on down. Actually, if we continue on up here, I might just close this trade out and take the 800 or 900, whatever I can get out of it. Let's see what's the high here. Our high is at 32.70. I'm going to go to 32.76 here. And if we get taken out, we get taken out. I'm not going to worry about it. It's $800, and that's not bad for 25 minutes worth of work here. And looks like we are just about out. Why do I still have frickin' shares here? Let me close out the rest of this. And that is a good trade, my friends. I enjoyed this, and I thank you for watching it with me, and I want you to tune back into my channel because I'm going to be putting up some more videos, live videos. I'm going to be posting some stuff about a website I'm developing, and I think all this stuff will be pretty interesting to you if you found this interesting. Hope you enjoyed. Have a great day.